To begin, we need to install an extension called Open in Browser. Click on the extensions icon on the sidebar. In the search bar, type Open in Browser. Next, click on the first result. Here you can see the developer's name and the number of times the extension has been installed. To install it, simply click the Install button. Once the installation is complete, the extension is ready to use. You can now close this page and hide the extensions panel. Now let's create a new HTML file. Click on File, then Open Folder. I'll create a new folder on the desktop and name it Website. Select this folder and open it in VS Code. Next, create a new file and name it home.html. Inside the file, type an exclamation mark and press Enter. This will generate a basic HTML template. You can edit the title and add some text inside the body section. Once you're done, save the file. To open your HTML file in the browser, right-click anywhere inside the editor and select Open in Default Browser. Alternatively, you can right-click the file in the Explorer panel and choose Open in Default Browser. Your web page will now open in your default browser. That's it. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up Visual Studio Code for web development using another extension called Live Server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.